Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making one backup. Do that now so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, verify iOS 6. X and gather a computer, USB cable, and the jailbreak tool for your exact model. You should know why. Modern App Store packages won't support iOS 6, so jailbreaking creates the only path to install a legacy YouTube client or fixes. Make sure battery is above 50%, and find the specific jailbreak guide for your device model before continuing. Next, put your device into DFU or recovery mode and run the jailbreak tool. Follow on-screen prompts exactly. After jailbreaking, install the package manager, then add a reputable legacy repository so you can access archived clients. Once the repo is added, search for a legacy YouTube client or a REST API patch, install it, and respring or reboot the device. This replaces the unsupported API calls and restores playback. Be patient, as older packages may take a few minutes to configure. Finish by rebooting and launching the installed legacy client. Sign in and test playback and uploading. If a video won't play, clear the app cache, reinstall the package, and toggle Wi-Fi to rule out network DNS or TLS version issues. If problems persist, restore your backup and retry the package selection from a different repo. Compatibility varies. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device attempts to update system components, stop it and restore from backup. Automatic updates often break legacy fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.